Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to customize your lock screen on this device. So simply go to your lock screen and press and hold the lock screen. Then enter your password. Then here we can customize our lock screen. So here we can change the wallpaper, here we can change the clock style, then we can add the widgets, then we can change the shortcuts here. Okay, so if you want to change the clock style, tap on the clock style and here you can see the clock font styles. And if you tap on the option style, here you can see lots of clock styles. If you want to add a analog clock style, then you can add this one. If you want to add the calendar, then you can add here clock with the calendar. Simply here I am going to add the analog clock style. Okay, so if you want to add more widget, tap on the option add widget. Then here you can select the widget. You can select battery, calendar, camera, clock, like that. So here I am going to select the option calendar. Here you can see some designs. So from here you can select any one from here. So here I am going to select this one. Okay, next, if you want to add the battery level, tap on the option battery, then you can select any one from here, like that. Here you can see, here I changed the clock style and here I added two widgets. So if you want to change the lock screen shortcut, just tap on the shortcut that you want to change. Then you can select any one from here. In case if you want to remove the shortcut, then you can select the option no app. You can see no app. If you want to add, tap on the plus icon, then you can add any one from this list. After this one, tap on done. You can see now this is our customized lock screen. So simply in this way we can customize the lock screen on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.